Welcome. In front of me is a T-tablet from T-Mobile, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and you want to select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. So I'm gonna hold them right now. Now, if in about 10 seconds you don't see anything on the screen, let go of those buttons and start holding them again. There we go. And as you can see, it should at that point boot us into Fastboot mode. So this is one of the ways you can enter Fastboot mode. There's also another one through recovery mode, which I'm not really going to go into. This is already good enough. But I also want to mention on this tablet, bootloader, if you select it, also takes you to the same Fastboot mode that you can see right now on the screen. So there's 3 different ways of entering a single mode. Anyway, once you're done and you want to get back to the normal Android, if you're in this specific Fastboot mode where you only have the writing and no options, you just want to hold power button and volume down again. And once the actual writing at the bottom disappears, let go of the buttons. There we go. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.